Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw and color a rainbow computer. Let's start drawing. At the beginning, I'm going to draw a monitor. With a heart. Now let's draw a simple keyboard. And a mouse here. Finally, I draw a cute flower here. And the leaves. Then I draw petals around it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I draw a line here. I love it. Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. I'm going to use the colors of the rainbow. I start with the heart and I use red. Then I use orange. I color the inside of the monitor with yellow. Light green, light blue. I colored the outside of the keyboard with purple. For the mouse, pink, fuchsia. For the keyboard buttons, I'm going to use the rainbow colors again. Red, orange, yellow, light green, dark green, light blue, dark blue, purple, pink, fuchsia, red, orange, yellow, light green, dark green, light blue, dark blue, yellow, pink, and green, yellow, red, orange, yellow, then light green, light blue, brown, and finally, I add a little light blue to the background. Excellent! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.